Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off browser notifications on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on apps. From here, just tap on see all apps. Now in the search bar, just search the name of your browser. I will search Google Chrome. Now just tap on the name of your browser. Now on this screen, just tap on notifications. And from here, just disable allow notifications. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off browser notifications on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.